Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser lag, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find three horizontal lines. Click on these lines, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can adjust various aspects of your browser's performance. Once you're in the Settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Privacy and Security. This section contains important tools for managing your browsing data and optimizing how Brave handles your information. Now, click on Delete Browsing Data. This is one of the most effective ways to speed up a lagging browser since accumulated cache and cookies can slow things down significantly over time. A new window will appear with options for what data you want to clear. Next, click on More. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select your preferred timeline. Choose the time range that makes sense for you, whether that's the last hour, day, week, or all time. The more data you clear, the more noticeable the performance improvement will be. After selecting your timeline, click Delete from this device. This will remove the browsing data you've selected and help free up resources that might be causing the lag. Give it a moment to complete the process as it clears out the accumulated files. Now, in the left panel, click on About Brave. This section automatically checks if your browser is running the latest version. Keeping Brave up to date is crucial because updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can resolve lagging issues. If an update is available, make sure to install it. Next, in the left panel, click on Extensions. Once that opens, look for Manage Extensions and click it. Extensions are a common cause of browser lag, especially if you have several running at once or some that you're not actively using. Go through your list of extensions and remove the ones you're not using. Each extension consumes memory and processing power, so getting rid of unnecessary ones can make a noticeable difference in how smoothly Brave runs. Simply click Remove next to any extension you want to delete. After managing your extensions, return to the left panel and click on System. This section contains settings related to how Brave uses your computer's hardware resources. Here's where you can make a change that often has a big impact on performance. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle. Turn this toggle off. While graphics acceleration is meant to improve performance, it can sometimes cause lag depending on your system's hardware configuration. Finally, click Relaunch. This will restart your Brave browser and apply all the changes you've made. Once it reopens, you should notice a significant improvement in performance. And that's it. You've successfully optimized Brave browser to fix the lag by clearing browsing data, updating the browser, removing unnecessary extensions, and disabling graphics acceleration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.